Look how big those are. I got some yellow flowers here from our backyard. And I got some white ones from our backyard.
How big that is?
Hey! Right now, get planted.
Whoa! Good job, babe. So there's the new nest.
Huh? But why they were not shooting?
So we got a bird problem in our vent. There's a bird's been nesting up here. So today we tried to remove it because our clothes weren't drying well. So I pulled some of it out and we made a hat down here for the bird. He's got 3 eggs over there inside. Now it's working better now. Nga mong vent last time ang ko pero mura gabi inay nag saba-saba kasi naanap yun ng pugad sa among vent. So naog na mi.
Let's go!
Hold on. Hey, wait.
Whoa!
Good job, eh. That's a good
Good swimming.
I'm gonna go trim the grasses.
Oh yeah!
Come on, y'all. Naomi, I said stay in here. I gotta cut those grass. So magkuan pud ko gamay, maghagpas kay taas na kay mga. No, just wait. I'm gonna go. I think the bird is nesting on our vent again, so I gotta check. Yung murag
I'm gonna go here.
wala na. Last time na siya din, dira sila nag-nest sa among kuan. Dira sila nagpugad sa among wala na yung nest. So mao ni among gihimo sa akong bana nga yan giri home tong mga pugad diri pero ang ilang gibuhat nibalhin sila diri mao ning nga nest sa mga langgam.
Go good up there.
So it's here. You can see that. It's the new nest. See, do you see the nest, Naomi?
Look at the new nest.
Hey, there could be scorpions in there. There's the nest. See, point the nest. So there's the new nest.
Huh? But why they were not shooting? Why they like the one with hay.
They want it to make their own.
Not somebody else that they made.
So,
Whoa!
good job, eh? That's a good.
Good swimming.
I'm gonna go trim the grasses.
Oh yeah, buddy, we get to play.
Okay, so
We get to play.
magkuan ko mag-cut ko mga. No, hey, I want you, Naomi. I want you to play over here. Dali lang sa semento.
Let's go with the fan.
Okay, so I'm gonna trim the grass while they're playing. Hey, did you hear what I said? I said stay in the grass. Stay in here in the concrete, please.
Why we cannot hang?
Because I said so.
Something funny to play.
Camino, shallow.
Yes, it's shallow.
Oh no, stay in the grass, please. Stay off the grass, please. Me now. Stay off the grass, please.
Look what I found, Yummy. I found treasure. I got enough sack. I'm flying on my shoe.
Camino, please.
I know what I put. Ta-da! I got you some mommy food.
Show it to them. The flower you got, Yomi. I can see your face, Yomi.
I got some yellow flowers here from our backyard, and I got some white ones from our backyard.
How big that is?
I love you so
Hey,
much.
Naomi, can you kuha tong
I
saan?
can put in it.
Naomi, kuha tong bucket, please. Kuha ang bucket, palihog.
Ah, they flew to me.
Hey,
Mom,
kuha
Chad,
tong...
don't let them because
Hey.
my flowers got blown away.
Naomi, go get me. Nice. Go get me the bucket, please.
Hey, right now get playing hard.
You can just stay away from the grass, please.
No, it turned around. I gotta go play with the monkeys now.
No.
Mommy, can we get on the rocks?
Huh?
Can we play on the stairs?
Yes, that's all. Don't go any further.
Yeah. Hello, Mr. Gadera.
I'm gonna go check if there's any bird inside the nest.
It's okay. Just get all of them and then plant them. Come on, let's get some.
I can't see it though. Let me check.
Here, Yummy. I'm gonna go plant. I'm gonna go get some more. It's our first time to see this. Sweet Joe. Mom, this one looks like poison. It's very hot.
Charlotte, put this away.
I cannot get this one so I and I'll show you how to use it. Hey, who's stepping on my flowers? Only hanging and staying on the car. No. Whoa! Look how big those are.
This is a big one.
Woo!
It's as big as Noah.
Carry one.
Here, show that in the
I'll
camera.
get one. I want for that one. I got show this. Come on. Everyone, what? Show the big weed. Ah! Look how big this weed is. Let's go.
So kung manami yung hinlo, manami yung weed, we're going upstairs.
So much.
Okay, come on y'all. Let's go upstairs.
Me too.
Shiloh, can you get Chubb? Come on, Chubb.